Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Gosia and I make nail related videos. So today I wanted to show you this set of stamping nail polish that I got from Clear Jelly Stamper. These are actually my first nail polishes from this brand and I was really curious to see how they perform. Just before you see with your eyes, I wanted to let you know that I really love these polishes. The formula is really thin when it comes to stamping polish and they are really pigmented. To be honest, I am very happy with them. I just wish I had more colors because they are really great quality. I've been using Clear Jelly Stamper products for I think 2 weeks now and I can't really say anything bad about them. I still don't know what is their secret, but all the products work perfectly well and all the thin lines are perfectly stamped. Anyways, I will not talk too much. I want you to see with your own eyes how they perform. So if you are interested to see them in action, then please keep on watching. Oh, and let me know if that kind of video is useful for you and if you enjoy that kind of stamp swatches. And now let's get into the video.